Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have done a makeup tutorial. I have done a look kind of like this in the past. I know I used the greens. I'll probably put a screenshot somewhere of a look I did like this, except for it was a smoky eye. I didn't have such neutrals on my eye. But yeah, this is the look that I did. It's really not that long of a tutorial, honestly. It's a pretty quick, simple look. Oh, and I don't know if you guys did see, I am planning to do like a little little IG tutorial on Instagram. I don't know if I'm gonna post it. If I am, and you're watching this and you're listening to me tell you, then I probably did post it. But if I didn't, then I probably won't put it in the video. But if you did, go to my Instagram and go check it out and like it and comment something nice. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. Stay focused now. I'm gonna get started, and I'm going to be taking my Prism palette. Okay, so to get started using my Prism palette, I'm going to be taking this color Unity. I'm going to use this as a transition color because I don't want to put too much eyeshadow on my eyes. You can see from this side. From the side. And I'm just going to go in. Oh, I'm using a Morphe 532 brush. I'm just going to add that just as a transition color for the 100th time I've been saying this. Okay, so now that I have that as a transition color, I am going to take the same brush and I'm going to use a tiny bit of this color blur. I can't talk. On the same brush and really tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna that, and then I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced. This is like a sample of like a mini version of it. I bought a big one, but I'm just barely hitting pan on it right now. But it's the Chocolate Soleil's, I don't know how to say it, medium deep matte bronzer. I do use this on my face, but I also use it on my eyes. And I'm going to take this Morphe M433 brush, and then also put that more into the crease, not so blended out like the other colors.
But if this brings you just a little closer.
Okay, then I'm going to go in and clean off this M433 brush, and I'm going to go in with that yellow Unity color again, and I'm going to do my bottom lash line. After that, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics 103 brush, and I'm going to go in with Blur again a tiny bit, and I'm just going to blend it closer to my lash line. But this is Penelope! So grumpy! Oh. She's mad. Look at her tail. You're so pretty. Look at how beautiful you look. Oh, she's over it, huh? Look at her little chin. Oh, so beautiful. She's like, can I go now? But anyway, continuing forth. She's mad at me now. Taking the same brush, I'm going to take the bronzer and add it on also. After that, I'm going to go in back with this M433 brush. Yeah, I'm going to go back in with this brush. Take a tiny bit of this and just kind of go in these parts right here. What? My goodness. What? That was a long meow. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this Morphe flat brush. It's quite large. And I'm gonna go in with this Physician Formula eyeshadow duo. It came in like a little like kit or whatever. And I'm gonna take this nude color and apply this on to my lid just to kind of white it out more, I guess, because there's kind of more brown shadow on my lid than I would like. Okay, so I was originally going to do a wing liner, but I wasn't really feeling it, just mainly because I didn't want to do my eyeliner. But yeah, I'm going to take this Kat Von D Trooper Black tattoo liner and just line my eyelid like I did on this side. I can't talk.
Better job.
Alright, I got my liner on. Looks kind of weird, but I just put it on so I can hide when I put my lashes on. Because yeah, and I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and then I'm going to take this, put some on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take this like regular flat brush, and then before I add that, I'm gonna get my stuff ready. I'm gonna take this color and get her ready, and I'm just gonna like apply a little base right here in my eye, and then I'm gonna go and add this. But I'm not done. I'm gonna go in with this Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm gonna shape that down. I'm gonna take this color Slime, and I'm gonna spritz her with some rose water because that's what I got right now. And I'm gonna apply that also so it's shimmery as well. I kind of added a little bit more because I can. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add my lashes by Crystal Cosmetics. They are called. So moving on further, I'm going to be highlighting because I haven't done that yet. I put some powder around my lips so they're gonna look a little tiny and crusty right now. But I'm going to go in and highlight with this Kylie highlighter in Dreamin' of Diamonds. Before I do that, I'm gonna spray my beauty blender with some rose water and just kind of moisten up where I want my highlighter at. So, because I would spray my whole face, but then I don't want to mess up. I don't want to mess up my eyelashes. For my brow bone, I'm gonna use this. So I like how that looks on my brow bone. Alright, we're gonna move on to the lips. But I'm gonna go in with this NYX Professional lip liner in Need Me? No, Line My lips. Then I'm going to be going in with the Kylie lipstick in Nova. So I'm gonna go in with this. Bare Minerals. I got this as a Christmas gift from my boyfriend's mom. It's the Something to Talk About 4 mini waxy plumping lip glosses. So I still like keep things in their package just so they're organized. And I'm gonna go in with this color, Attention Seeker. Yeah, this is Attention Seeker, and I'm just gonna add that onto my lip.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
I think I'm gonna add some blush though, because I need some blush. I'm gonna go in with this. I think I'm gonna go, I don't know if I should go in with this tan. I'm gonna try this tan first. It doesn't really have names in it. It's just the blush palette in light. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Shoot, guys. Okay, so my battery's gonna die. I'm gonna end this really quickly. I hope you guys liked this look, even though I'm probably very blurry right now. This is gonna be the end of my video. I hope you guys like this look. I don't know why, I just wanted to put a video up because I haven't done my makeup like this in a long time. But if you like this video, like the video, subscribe and share. It's always nice to share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.